Everything we've explored, the propulsion breakthroughs, radiation shields, psychological trials, generation ships, and alien worlds, all lead to one essential truth. We are not meant to stay here. Earth is our cradle. But a cradle is not meant to be permanent. It's a beginning, a shelter, and then a launch pad. For too long, the void between stars has seemed like an eternal prison. The laws of physics, cold, uncaring, whisper that the distances are too vast, the energy too great, the cost too high. But history shows us something remarkable. The impossible becomes inevitable the moment humanity decides it matters. Once, fire was a mystery. Now we harness stars. Once the ocean's horizon marked the end of our maps. Now we cross it in hours. Once we feared the night sky. Now we read its messages, trace its structures, and dream of walking among its stars. The path to Proxima Centauri may demand more than we currently know how to give. It may require technologies we have yet to invent. It will certainly require cooperation on a scale humanity has rarely achieved. Shared effort, shared vision, shared sacrifice. But perhaps that's the real purpose of the challenge. Not just to arrive, but to transform. To evolve beyond the divisions that plague us today. Nations, ideologies, borders, short-term thinking, and begin acting as one species with one homeworld and one destiny. This is not just a scientific endeavor. It's a spiritual one. To reach the stars, we must look inward and mature as a civilization. We must balance ambition with humility, power with responsibility, and innovation with sustainability. Because the technologies that unlock the stars, advanced propulsion, AI governance, fusion power, biosphere engineering, will also reshape life here on Earth. They will solve terrestrial problems, heal the environment, expand our energy horizons, elevate our quality of life. In reaching for other worlds, we might finally learn how to care for our own. And in the vast silence of deep space, we may find the unity that has eluded us on this pale blue dot. To become interstellar is not just to move outward. It is to become more human than we have ever been. Visionary, collaborative, daring. Every step toward another star is also a step toward a better version of ourselves. So when people ask, why go? Why spend the time, money, and effort to reach other solar systems? The answer is not just scientific. It's existential, because the stars call to us, not with words, but with perspective. They remind us how small we are and how vast we can become. They remind us that we are not finished yet. At Infinity Beyond, we believe the journey to the stars is more than a destination. It's a mirror, showing us who we are and who we might become. We are the species who dreamed of fire and now dream of fusion. We are the species who feared the night and now chart galaxies. We are the species who gazed at the stars and now dares to cross between them. The future is not written, but if we choose to write it together, it can be luminous.